and I'm going to present some photos for my hero's family. This is my mom, Wonder Woman. She has hot brown and wavy hair. She has hot brown eyes. She is very grumpy. In this photo, she is angry. This is my father, Superman. He has hot and black hair and black eyes. Superman is very funny. In this photo, she is posing. This is my brother, Spider-Man. He has hot blonde and curly hair. Her eyes are green. Spider-Man is very funny and friendly. In this photo, she is returning home. This is my sister, Supergirl. She has hot blonde hair and brown eyes. She is hard working. In this photo, she is working. This is my pet, Pancho the Millionaire Dog. It has got white and brown hair. Its eyes are black. Pancho is very funny and playful. In this photo, she is thinking. This